How to measure for stairs. All right. So these are cap and band stairs, also known as New York style stairs. As you can see, they tuck under. They're just not normal box stairs, just the regular, which we have the measurement of 3 foot 8 inches here on the width of the stair. And then what you also need to measure is the length, which you got a foot there. And then it drops down between that little bit that goes underneath and the 8 inches it drops. The 2 inches, you got another foot there. So what we do is call this a 4x2 step. And then all you do is you times the 4x2 times the amount of steps you have. Basically, you just count the stairs, multiply the number of stairs by the width times length to come up with your square footage. If you wanted just to get the square footage, you'd take 15 stairs times 4 times 2 equals 8. So 15 times the 8 is 120 square feet. And that's if you're doing hard surface, you'd add 10% to that. Or if you're doing carpet, you just cut a 12 by 10, which is 13.33 yards. The 120 square feet, you divide it by 9, and that's how you come up with your yardage. So there you have it. Here, let's just do a little layout for practice here. Here, we'll do 15 stairs and a 5x9 landing. Okay. Now, most carpets come 12 foot wide. There are some 13.6, 13.2s, and even some 15-foot widths out there, but the majority are 12 foot wide. I'm on a 1/4 inch scale graph paper, and I got a 1/4 inch ruler here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm drawing the stairs out, which are 2 foot lengths or widths. Actually, I take that back. They're 2 foot lengths. And we're going to call them 4 foot widths, just to give them a little bit of extra there. So we're counting them up, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 15, so we're going to count up to 15 of these. All right. And what I've done is I put it in a 12-foot width. Okay, because the roll comes 12 foot wide. So right now, these are all fitting in a 12-foot width area. Now I'm doing the landing is a 9x5. All right. And that's what this piece is. The little piece off to the end there, you can see it's a 3x5. That's waste. Right now, you add that up with your 1/4 inch scale, you get a 12 by 15, 20 yards. All right, so 12 by 15, you get your square foot, you divide it by 9, you come up with 20 yards. All right, so there you have it. I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all next time. Thanks so much for tuning in.